10 Lessons from Quiet: The Power of Introverts in a World That Can't Stop Talking by Cain. 1. Introverts and extroverts are simply wired differently. Introverts are more sensitive to stimulation, while extroverts crave it. This difference in brain wiring is evident from a young age and persists throughout adulthood. 2. Introverts are not shy or antisocial. They simply prefer to process information and recharge in different ways than extroverts. Introverts often thrive in one-on-one or small group interactions, and they can be just as outgoing as extroverts when they are in their comfort zone. 3. Introverts have many strengths that are undervalued in our society. They are often deep thinkers, good listeners, and creative problem solvers. Introverts are also more likely to be conscientious and reflective. 4. Our culture has a strong bias towards extroversion. This is evident in everything from the way our schools are structured to the way we reward employees. Introverts are often made to feel like they need to be more extroverted in order to succeed. But this is simply not true. 5. We need to create more space for introverts in our world. This means creating environments where introverts can thrive, such as quiet workspaces and opportunities for one-on-one collaboration. It also means challenging our assumptions about what it means to be a successful leader or communicator. 6. Don't try to be someone you're not. Introversion is a strength, so embrace it. There is no need to force yourself to be more extroverted than you naturally are. 7. Find ways to recharge your batteries. Introverts need more time alone to process information and recharge. Make sure to schedule some downtime for yourself each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. 8. Learn to say no. It's okay to decline social engagements if you're feeling overwhelmed. Introverts don't need to be everywhere and do everything. 9. Find your tribe. Surround yourself with people who understand and appreciate your introverted nature. There are many introvert communities online and in person. 10. Use your strengths to your advantage. Introverts are often great listeners, deep thinkers, and creative problem solvers. Use these strengths to your advantage in your work and personal life. Quiet is a groundbreaking book that challenges our assumptions about introversion and extroversion. It is a must-read for anyone who wants to understand themselves and others better. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more great ideas and inspirational content. Thank you.